Okay, guys, welcome to week 4. Here's the scenario. You're a project engineer, and every week you have to turn a messy activity log into a clean one-page report for your manager. Right now, that log has inconsistent spelling and spacing in the status column. So first, we're going to fix that. Let's jump into the activity log tab. Column E has our status, but it's messy. So before we can count anything, we need to standardize it. In G2, I'm typing proper trim E2. Trim removes any extra spaces, and proper makes the capitalization consistent. First letter capital, rest lowercase. Now copy this down. Done. Now let's head to the Snapshot tab, where our report lives. We need to count how many activities fall into each status. I'll use COUNTIF for this. In the completed cell, I type COUNTIF activity log G2 to G21 and reference the label above this cell. In this case, completed. Notice I locked the range with $signs, pressing F4, so it won't shift when I copy the formula across. I'll copy this same formula into the ongoing and delayed cells too. Excel automatically updates which label it's counting against. For total activities, I'll use Count A on that same range. Count A just counts every non-blank cell in that range, so it gives us 20 total activities. Now for percent complete, it's simply completed activities divided by total activities. That gives us 50%. Format that cell as a percentage and you're done. Numbers are great, but a visual read is faster for your manager. Let's color code the clean status column using conditional formatting. Select the range, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Format only cells that contain. Set it to specific text containing completed and pick a green fill. Click OK. Repeat this 2 more times. Same steps, but for ongoing, pick yellow, and for delayed, pick red. Now, just by scanning the column, you can instantly see how the week went. Last content step, we need to pull the actual activity details into 3 sections on our snapshot: Achievements this week, Upcoming activities, and Issues and constraints. Select our table and apply Filter. Click the Clean Status filter and check Only Completed. Select the section and planned activity columns for those visible rows. Copy them and paste into the achievements. Unmerge and unwrap cells. Now go back, change the filter to show only ongoing. Copy those rows and paste them under upcoming activities. One more time. Filter to delayed, copy and paste under issues and constraints. Last step, let's make this pop visually. Select your status breakdown table, the status and count columns. Go to Insert, Charts, Pie Chart, and drop in a basic 2D pie. Once it's in, click the plus icon next to the chart and turn on data labels so each slice shows its percentage. Give it a title, Status Breakdown Works, and resize it to sit neatly next to your summary boxes. And that's it. In 6 steps, we turned a messy log into a clean, color-coded, one-page snapshot your manager can read in 10 seconds. Nice work! See you in the next lesson.